Go to CHeKT Dealer Portal, Customers, click the customer's name. Go to Site Details. Then click Create a Device. Or click the Add button, then choose Add Bridge. Put the bridge name, the MAC address, and the entry key. Then click Register. Click the Next button in the FW check. Click the Next button in the arming method. Modify the alarm programming if needed in the alarm programming, then click the Next button. Modify the site service in Site Service, then click Next. Then, you can see all the bridge information in All Done. If you need to add the camera to that bridge, click the Register Cameras button. If you need to add the other bridge, click the Register Next Bridge button. Click the Done button to finish all the configuration for the bridge. In the Add a Camera setup, choose the bridge, then click which camera channel you need to add. Then you can see all the cameras which are under the same network. Choose the one you want to add. Choose the IP address as the mount type. Choose the ONVIF as the API type. Put the IP address, port, and authentication for the camera. Then click the Authentication button. Then, you can see the snapshot for the Homaxi camera. You can set up the Area of Interest overlay if needed. Type the camera name and sensor zone number. Choose the zone type and modify the alarm code if needed. Choose the ONVIF or Analytic Event Trigger as the alarm trigger source. Click the Next button for Cloud AI Filtering. Then, all the camera information shows up in the All Done. CHeKT system will automatically add the camera to the bridge. Click Add another camera to add more cameras, or click the Done button to finish the configuration. Go to Site Details, then go to the Devices. Click the Add button, then choose the Add IP speaker. In the Add a IP speaker setup, select Bridge, and click the audio channel you would like to add. Click the Add Speaker Manually button. Type the speaker's name. Choose the ONVIF as the brand. Type the IP address and port. Type the username and password. Click the Authentication button. In the Site message, choose Message in the list, or you can click the Add Message to Site to add a new message. Then click the Test Audio device. Then you could see the button turn to success, and hear the message sound from the IP camera. Click the Add button. In the All Done, you could see all the detail. Click the Register Next IP Speaker button to add another speaker. Click the Done button to finish the setting. In the Dealer Portal, Customers, Selected Customers, Site Details, click the Upload button or the Upload Site Map button. Choose the map from your computer. Then click the Open button. Then you can see the map you choose. Go to the camera lists and choose the map icon to add the camera to the map. Then, you can see the camera icon in the map. Drag the camera to the correct location, and use the yellow and blue dots to adjust the camera angle and range. Then click the Save Changes button. Go to Homaxi IPC Web GUI, Set, Event, Smart Event, Line Crossing, or Area Intrusion. Check the Enable for the event. Click the Plot Area button. Then adjust the detection area. Adjust the event configuration in the switch setting. Click the Save button to save all the configurations. Then, CHeKT will receive the event notification. Go back to CHeKT Dealer Portal, Customers, Selected Customers. Click the Monitoring Portal button, then you can go to the Monitor Portal. The alarm notifications are on the right side of the page. There is detailed information, including the related video or snapshot. If this alarm is real, click the Verify Alarm button. You also can click the Talk Down button to talk to the camera. If you get any questions for the setup, please contact support@homaxi.com.